Chameleons are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom, renowned for their unique ability to change color, their independently mobile eyes, and their long, sticky tongues. These remarkable reptiles belong to the family Chameleonidae, which comprises over 200 species found primarily in Africa, Madagascar, Southern Europe, and Asia. The evolutionary history of chameleons is a topic of ongoing research. Chameleons are believed to have diverged from other lizards around 65 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period. Their unique adaptations have enabled them to thrive in a variety of habitats, from rainforests and savannas to deserts and mountainous regions. These adaptations have been shaped by their need to hunt effectively, avoid predators, and reproduce successfully in their diverse environments. One of the most notable features of chameleons is their ability to change color. This color change is not solely for camouflage, as commonly believed, but also for communication and temperature regulation. Chameleons have specialized cells called chromatophores in their skin, which contain different pigments. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can produce a wide range of colors. In addition to chromatophores, they also have iridophores and leucophores, which reflect light and contribute to their vivid and variable coloration. Chameleons possess highly specialized eyes that can move independently of each other, allowing them to have a 360-degree field of vision. This adaptation is particularly useful for spotting prey and predators. Their eyes have a unique, conical shape that provides a high degree of magnification and depth perception, essential for accurately targeting prey with their long tongues. The chameleon's tongue is another extraordinary adaptation. It can be as long as the chameleon's body and is propelled by a specialized elastic tissue, allowing it to capture prey with remarkable speed and accuracy. The tip of the tongue is covered in a sticky mucus that ensures the prey is securely grasped. Chameleons are primarily found in Africa and Madagascar, with some species inhabiting parts of Southern Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Madagascar is home to over half of the world's chameleon species, including the smallest and largest species, Bruxia micra and Furcifer australeti, respectively. Each species is adapted to its specific habitat, ranging from the dense foliage of rainforests to the arid conditions of deserts. In rainforests, chameleons often inhabit the canopy, where their ability to change color helps them blend in with the leaves and branches. In contrast, desert-dwelling species have evolved to match the sandy and rocky environments, often displaying more subdued colors. The diverse habitats of chameleons reflect their incredible adaptability and the evolutionary pressures that have shaped their development. Chameleons are generally solitary creatures, coming together only during the breeding season. Their behavior is largely influenced by their need to hunt and avoid predators. They are primarily insectivores, feeding on a diet of insects and other small invertebrates. Larger species may also consume small birds and mammals. Hunting is a meticulous process for chameleons. They rely on their excellent vision to spot prey from a distance. Once a target is identified, the chameleon will remain motionless, slowly creeping closer to avoid detection. When within range, the chameleon will rapidly extend its tongue to capture the prey. This method of hunting is highly efficient and allows chameleons to conserve energy in their often resource-scarce environments. Chameleons communicate primarily through body language and color changes. During social interactions, such as territorial disputes or mating displays, chameleons will alter their coloration to signal aggression, submission, or readiness to mate. These color changes are often accompanied by other behaviors, such as puffing up the body, swaying, and head bobbing. The reproductive strategies of chameleons vary between species, but most follow a similar pattern. Breeding typically occurs during specific seasons, often coinciding with periods of increased food availability. Males will engage in combat to establish dominance and win the right to mate with females. These contests involve displays of strength and intimidation, with the dominant male often changing color to assert his dominance. Once a female is ready to mate, she will signal her receptiveness through color changes. After mating, the female will lay a clutch of eggs, which she buries in the ground or within leaf litter. The number of eggs can vary significantly between species, from a few to over 100. The incubation period also varies, ranging from a few weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions. Upon hatching, juvenile chameleons are independent and must fend for themselves. They are miniature versions of adults, possessing the same hunting and survival instincts. The lifespan of a chameleon varies by species, with smaller species typically living shorter lives of around 2 to 3 years, while larger species can live up to 10 years or more in the wild. Chameleons face numerous threats in the wild, primarily due to habitat destruction and the pet trade. Deforestation and land conversion for agriculture are significant issues, particularly in Madagascar, where many chameleon species are endemic and highly specialized. The illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat, with many species being captured and sold to meet the demand for exotic pets. Conservation efforts are underway to protect chameleon habitats and regulate the trade of these unique reptiles. Protected areas and national parks play a crucial role in preserving critical habitats. Additionally, breeding programs in captivity aim to reduce the pressure on wild populations and ensure the survival of endangered species. Public awareness and education are essential components of chameleon conservation. By highlighting the ecological importance and unique characteristics of chameleons, conservationists hope to foster a greater appreciation for these remarkable reptiles and the need to protect their natural habitats.